Okay, so this is your first chance to be able to practice C Sharp and to expand upon what you've learned so far in the first couple of tutorials. So what we're doing today is I want you to make a calculator, either a simple calculator or to make a scientific calculator with the other options on there, such as trigonometry. So my advice to you is that you need to use all the tutorials that you've used so far. Just to help you start off, I've presented you with the bare bones of what you may need inside your program. So as you can see here, we have a statement that asks what options to select, a variable called input, which will record anything entered in there, and then just my advice is to use the switch statement, which will let you enter in any commands you enter in, and you may want to obviously change the formula in here and how it prints out, and also you can also expand upon it and put other different options in there, such as our scientific options, such as trigonometry and other scientific options. So that's your first challenge.